A look at your national coast-to-coast forecast here this Wednesday includes that storm system moving east ever so slowly today, kind of pushing that heavier rain along and east of the Appalachians. Kind of wrapping up tomorrow. There could still be some pretty decent amounts of moisture and even some snow across the northern New England states. But the heaviest precipitation looking across the nation will be in the northwest. Over a 5-day period, we're looking at several inches of precipitation along the coast. And the highest elevations will be picking up some snow there as well, even down into the Sierra Nevada range in California. But looking ahead to December, we have some very warm conditions shaping up. So the storm system that brought us all the inclement weather earlier this week now starting to shift into the Great Lakes region, some blue indicating snow, and of course the heaviest rain through today and early tomorrow, shifting along the eastern seaboard, and then eventually by tomorrow shifting well east of the eastern seaboard, but some of that lingering precip down into Florida. Actually start to see some drier weather shape up in the central U.S. for a several-day time period, and then as we head back to the west, moisture returning to central and northern Rockies, the northern Cascades, Sierra Nevada range, and along the coast. And those areas, again, looking at significant amounts of precipitation, so anywhere from maybe a couple of inches of liquid in the highest elevations to as many as 3 to 4, and even some isolated 5 to 6 inch amounts along the coast, and that'll be buffeted by some wind as well. And then those precipitation values kind of shifting east as we take you through the eastern seaboard. 5-day snowfall potential, again looking at just some lingering stuff in the upper Mississippi Valley, and then once it makes its way out into the northern New England states, those precipitation values starting to turn over to some snowfall. So northern Maine seeing a good chance of a little bit of accumulation there. Other than that, pretty dry over the next several days unless you're in the northwest where a lot of that snow will be piling up in the highest elevations. And in the early part of December, pretty good shot that most of us nationwide will be dealing with some well above average temperatures. But for now, this colder pocket of air starting to wiggle through the Great Lakes region. A little bit cooler behind that in the southern tier of the nation, places like Dallas and Denver. Have a good one.